Grammar is great. Wittichigan. Feeling, synonym for happy. Contented, content, cheerful, cheery, merry, joyful, jovial, jolly. Jocular, gleeful, carefree, untroubled, delighted, satisfied, gratified, buoyant. Radiant, sunny, blithe, joyful, beatific, blessed, in good spirits, in high spirits, in a good mood, light-hearted, good-humoured, thrilled, exuberant, elated, exhilarated, ecstatic. Peaceful, euphoric, overjoyed, exultant, rapturous, enraptured, in seventh heaven, close. On cloud 9, over the moon, walking on air, beside oneself with joy, jumping for joy, chirpy, on the top of the world, blissome. Like a dog with two tails, as pleased as Punch, on a high, bliss out, cuff, as happy as Larry, as happy as a clam, gay. She was happy to receive many gifts on her birthday. He was elated receiving the news of his promotion. The girls are on cloud 9 playing in the park. A little child with chocolate ice cream will think that they are in seventh heaven. Alice was on top of the world about the match. Mom is as pleased as Punch with her baking. Feeling joyous about passing the driving test, he jumps excitedly. The girls are pleased with their singing performance. Delighted with their success, they hugged and cheered loudly. We are in good spirits today. Thank you. Do subscribe to my channel, Educator OmniTube.